to go to any web browser using, type in Fiverr, and let me show you the secret to this. And when this comes out, the first page that you see here, click on the first page and it's going to open up like this. If you haven't used Fiverr before, or if you haven't signed in, you will see a sign in button. For this, let me log out my account, then sign in back again to show you how to sign into this website. Now this is the Fiverr website. If you haven't signed in to this website, or if you are not a member to this website, what you have to do, when you get to this interface, click on the join button and it will show you something like this. From here you can create a new account, or if you already have an account, you can sign in using this button. But if you don't have an account, you can simply continue with your Google account and sign in using your Google account. So since I already have an account, I'm going to click on the sign in button here, then also continue with my Google account. And now I have been signed into this website. From here at the top side here, you can switch to a selling mode, or you can switch to a buying mode. For this one now, I'm on my buying mode. So here I'm going to tell you the tricks on how you can do this and make money from your AI images for free. Okay, now in the search bar here, what we are going to search for, first let me show you what others are doing and they are making money using AI images. For this, let's just search for AI images. When you search for AI images, let's see what comes up from this option here. So you can see we have, look at the result that we have here. We have 5,200 plus results on only these keywords, AI images. It means there are a lot of people making money from just AI image. If you can see from here, we have this one said, I will do pro Photoshop manipulation, photo editing with AI tools. Okay, you can see there are a lot of opportunities in making money from AI image on this Fiverr. So you can see what we have here. This guy said, I will design and edit complex AI images, AI art and illustration. And you can see this guy has 64 reviews, okay, which is 5 stars, 64 reviews, and is charging from $45 per project. Okay, if you can go here, you can see this guy is talking about I will generate up to 3,000 images with Midjourney AI in bulk from your image. So you can see that there are a lot of opportunities here. This guy said, I'll create a talking animated avatars from images with powerful AI and is charging $15. He has gotten 79 reviews. It means that 79% have actually bought these particular services from him. So you can see these are opportunities for you. Let's just open one of these and let me show you that this person have actually made a sale from this. So you can see the reviews are here. I needed 7 images done very quickly. These are reviews given to this person. These are reviews given to this person, and these are what you can do. So guys, if you need me to do a detailed video on how to set up your gig like this on Fiverr, then let me know in the comment section, and make sure you like this video. If I got 100 likes on this video, I'm going to do a detailed video on how to set up your gig using Fiverr for free for you. Then you can start making money. But if you already know how to set up your gig, then you can go ahead, set up your gig and start earning money from this. So you can see, I forgot to show you something here. You can see this person, this person got 5 orders in queue. So people are actually queuing on queue, waiting for this guy to deliver their job. So you can see, you can stop wasting your time and start making money from Fiverr for free.